Chat, we have one related question
Yeah.
asking how leaders can balance empowering the teams, so autonomy, with providing enough direction, goals to keep the team aligned.
This is a big challenge because teams need some sort of direction. You cannot just say, do as you like, right? Because then it's also really hard to know what to self-organize to. This is not related to motivation science per se, in my opinion, but just a fact that if you want to have a group of people collaborate towards a common goal, you need to have a common goal. And it helps if leadership is able to at least set a direction for this. In Scrum, of course, and then I'm going just purely back to Scrum, we have the different accountabilities of the product owner and the developers. So the product owner has the accountability of maximizing value and does this by identifying future developments of the product, potential bits of value, maybe new target audience or new functionality that can support new behaviors of our target audience. So our product can support their behaviors better. For instance, we now have a product that makes stuff easier to do, like a ChatGPT. It can generate answers to all of our questions. And for instance, at some point they added the ability to generate images also from ChatGPT, right? Without going to a separate app. This satisfies a new need. So you can set a goal in that direction. Well, we see that there's also lots of people using tools to generate images. Maybe we can make it easier for them by integrating it into an app that's more text-based, that's also used a lot by the same user group. So leadership can set these kinds of goals, focusing more on broad strokes, more on the functionality and what the benefits are for people. And the developers can organize, the team can self-organize about how to implement this. So what is technically needed to integrate this functionality, to develop this functionality into the already existing application in this case. So in this way, we still support autonomy because the team can by themselves choose in which way they reach this goal. They can even, if you're doing Scrum properly, in refinements, backlog refinements, in planning, discuss with a product owner who's setting these goals about, so you're setting this goal, using this technology, we can make the functionality such and such that we can also satisfy other user needs or have other target audiences that we can also reach. So Scrum invites people to contribute to the goal, to discuss it, but also to autonomously decide how to achieve it.
That was just a small piece of the conversation, but there's so much more to unpack here. They dive deep into how leaders can balance giving teams autonomy while still providing the right amount of direction. If you're a Scrum practitioner or team leader, you'll definitely want to check out the full meetup for more insights. Click the link at the end to watch the full session. Thanks.